Greetings and welcome to Youtique Lifestyle Wardrobe Planning Series. In this video, you're going to see how I created these earrings for my basic red lace skirt and top I just completed. Inspired by my vision board, I wanted some large earrings with a touch of pearls and some shine to it. And I found all these elements in these 3 pair of earrings. This set of earrings gave it a bigger size. And then I took the pearl earrings and then placed it through the hole where the hook was placed. Then I'm going to twist the backing where it forms a loop and stabilizes the pearl earrings. Then for the third set of earrings, I'm just going to clip off a little bit of the excess hook. And I like these earrings because it has a little bit of shine and sparkle to them. Now I'm going to take that little piece and then just twist it into a little loop. I'm going to hook it onto the large earring and then hook the sparkly earring into the loop. Now I'm going to take my pliers and then just close the loop and secure it. And that completes my first earring. Repeat the process for the other earring and I am complete. I thought the earrings went really well with my wedding guest outfit and I really had fun creating them. So did you ever have to create your own earrings to go with an outfit? If you like this video, feel free to click like and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for future tutorials. Thank you for visiting and I hope you get inspired to create something extraordinary out of the ordinary.